Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and welcome back. In today's video, I would like to show you some of my recent Shopee purchases. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That really helps a lot. Alright, the first item that I bought is a Planet 3D Moonlight lamp diffuser. I already have two diffusers, but because this diffuser is so adorable and cute, as I was scrolling through Shopee, I decided to purchase another one. I feel guilty but blame Shopee. Alright, let's see what's inside, what's included. Okay, jom kita tengok apa je yang ada dalam ni. Okay, of course we have one moon lamp, satu moon lamp, takkan ada dua kan. Okay, and then we have USB cable. It's actually a USB air diffuser, so of course battery is not included. And we have extra cotton swab, and then we have wooden frame. It's actually like a wood bracket, it's like 3 parts wood brackets, and then you have to connect the parts in order to get a wooden frame. I'll show you later on. And then we have a manual here. Alright, so let me tell a bit on the product. The product is only suitable for humidification function. Aromatherapy can be achieved by incorporating a small amount of water-soluble essential oil. Excessive or long-term use of essential oil aromatherapy will hasten product clogging and minor fogging issues. So yeah. Oh yeah, the product does not have a waterproofing feature built in. If the product is turned over while in use, water will enter the motherboard and cause damage to the product. This is strictly prohibited. Alright, let me show you how to connect the wood brackets in order to have a perfect wooden frame. Alright, here we go. As you can see, nak dapat macam tu kena struggle sikit, tapi look at that, it's so cute. Like it holds the moon lamp perfectly. Alright, okay, let's begin. I'll show you how to use this diffuser. Alright, the first thing is you have to remove the upper cover from the buckle, and then place the spring and cotton swab on the cover. Disebabkan dia dah ada kat situ, so you tak perlu buat apa-apa. Then you pour clean water into the water tank, and then put on small amount or according to your needs. Like it's up to you nak tahu mana the essential oil. And then I tak banyak ni, cuma ni dia tak keluar, so I just try sikit. Alright, okay, and then of course you need to close the lid. Sebabkan I tak nak dia disbalance, stumble, so I letak wooden frame tu. Itulah function wooden frame tu. Cantik kan? So cute. I am in love with this cute moonlight diffuser. Alright, and then you have to plug in the power supply, and the humidifier is ready to be used. And of course, I can scan. So kena try pakai ni. Kena scan. Yes. Sebenarnya tak susah pun, tapi I tak cuba. Entahlah kenapa dia tak nak masuk. So kena scan lah kan. And there are touch keys that allow you to change the color of the lights. There are 3 color modes: warm yellow light, white light, and warm white light. The 3 different light effect brings you different feelings, which is kinda nice. Nampak kan? I cuba tekan mic kali tapi tak keluar asap. Sebenarnya diffuser ni tak rosak tau, tapi dia slow. Okay, I baru perasan sebenarnya dekat part yang cotton swab tu, I tak buat apa-apa sebab fikir dia dah ada dalam tu. Tapi untuk cepat, you can pull out the cotton swab sebelum guna tu and then put it back in place after the cotton swab absorbs all moisture. Maksudnya you kena keluarkan cotton swab tu and then basahkan betul-betul cotton swab tu, then you put it back. Then cepatlah sikit keluar asap tu. Kat situ je kesalahan I. Tapi sebenarnya tak rosak tau. Kat sini you nampak kan bila tekan okay lights all work perfectly. Cantik je. And then bila I tekan part asap tu, baru dia keluar. Dia tak rosak tapi dia slow. Dia slow sebab I tak buat benda tu lah. Mungkin kalau you buat mungkin dia lagi cepat. Alright, tu je. So cute. Alright, the next item that I bought is a David Jones bag. It is actually a multi-function bag. Like you can use it as a sling bag, shoulder bag or crossbody, up to you. Ikutlah you nak guna macam mana atas keselesaan you. Alright, so jom buka unbox dulu. Look at that, so pretty kan. And I tak expect the dust bag tau. So I'm happy with the dust bag. There's nothing much like, I tak tahu kenapa nak tunjuk ni, tapi yes, I tunjuk. Alright, there we go, nothing much. Okay, so let's go back to this bag. It is actually a flat Postman lock closure. Can I say that? It's actually a lock closure, so which is kind of cute. And then we have the long shoulder strap length with 130 cm. It is a perfect length for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me it's actually a perfect length to use as a shoulder bag. The quality so much. It has like soft and flexible material. It is actually neat inner lining and stitching, no faults or even creases. And also look at that, it is actually chain tangled with PU decoration on belt. Trendy and classic design with urban sense, elegant and chic and dainty street style, sturdy and authentic shape. And also, as you can see here, the product feature is it has like one fully lined main zipper compartment, and it has like one internal zip pockets in there. Yeah, it's actually quite small, and I mean, for me it is actually quite small, which is kind of cute. It's like a perfect match for any casual daily outfit like school, travel, date. I mean date during COVID time dating kan. Alright, and then shopping or any other daily occasions. It is actually highly recommended for girls who always like packed light, like you bawa wallet ke, small makeup kit, phone, lepas tu cash pun like some cash, sikit-sikit je, lipstick, compact powder, keys, kunci kereta, kunci rumah, and perfume or any other light packed. So it is actually recommended for you girls.